Omancho murigereria o Kisii FM Digital ni chinga kichinde na inde na kwariganiria SMS itu ya Amang'ana Amayia senchira yobo ikirano chinse 11 chiabono maragoba eritera ningoro kwa Purity Nyangweso ngonyiringa na bogotonyora gwetere mitandao yonse pia social media Kisii FM 94.1 nesemu ye radio gotonyora gwetere birengo bya 94.1 egati yali na kwariganiria SMS itu ya Amang'ana Amayia omorogoba bono Omancho murigereria egati yali na kwariganiria SMS itu ya Amang'ana Amayia omorogoba bono Omancho murigereria ngamono roboti rumo waziri omukoro boburendi boy maiga Kenya Dr. Fred Matiang'i ugeri tukora rero oikira nasi cyo bese cinene cya DCI abwasa cya kurikigwa igoro yengana yatebekanite buna abanyanyimbo nigo basaganite enkaya yo mutinyweta bono Omancho murigereria nigongo kwarigania kabenenche go ikomo eryo erindi ngomanya ya mona yanda manga sentra yo bwekirano. Uyo kabeire omowaziri boburendi boy maiga Kenya Dr. Fred Matiang'i ni gori tukoria rero aika asicho bisi cinene chekiumbe kyogotoka basarege DCI erinde kurikia orobote goro yengane atebekanite buna abanyanyimbo nigo basaganite enkayaye omutinyweta barigete kumubeka byara engana nonye nabo eserikali yabereke gukana bururu musekito Cyrus Nyakundi natwariganire orobote urwo asenchira yobwekirano buneko bwatya.
Oyo kabero muwaziri boburendi boime Dr. Fred Matiang'i nigo ritukoria rero aikase chia bisi kyombekeria DCI likori koroboti igoro yengana yatebekanite buna abanyanyimbo nigo basaganite enkayaye ya Kareni omutinyweta nigo Matiang'i alinge nabo wakiri baye 12 abo banyara gwikerana ase chia bisi ekyo chia DCI abwase korende batangwa goswa ase chia bisi kyekyombekyo nabaneboka wanjerwa okwana isiko ye chia bisi ekyo chia DCI omoseneta bwe county ya Kisii omusikeri Momaima Onyonka niga baboririe abo bisaba DCI gokorera ekene asubutuki wabo namba baisa wanjera gotumekwa gesiasa.
Lile jambo ningependa kusihi serikali ya Kenya Kwanza. Nakumbuka mwaka uliopita vile viongozi wa serikali ya Kenya Kwanza walikuwa nasema hawataki uongozi wa kimabavu, uongozi mbaya, uongozi ambao ni wa kusukuma wananchi kwa sababu ya siasa. Fikira yangu ni kuwa watatumia akili yao timamu na watutumia fikira zao kuhakikisha kuwa nchi yetu ya Kenya haitaki utawala wa kimabavu.
Kulipotelia Kisii FM Digital litariane Cyrus Nyakundi.
Nomo waziri wechisemega Kenya umusikia Ezekiel Machogu ni gori tukoria rero achika okwirani kwa komu vice chancellor wa University ya Meru Professor Romanus Odhiambo uyo atebabuna ogoteneni kwa kwaye mirimo nigo kwaringe mamincha yiri chiko council ya University ya Meru nigo konya ya mubutire mirimo Professor Odhiambo aso kwanga kumomenta ekonda yo gukora mirimo ase university yo maiga ye konda ye myaka 5 iyo konya abiro gukora mirimo ase university yo kwaira egetambo kirekiga Omancho murigereria nigo kireta borokigwa ase University ya Meru amana abakora mirimo ase university yo korobekana na kwe murungania bururo igoro ingane ejo engana irete University ya Meru gosiekwa nonye nabo omowaziri Machogu nigo ritukora rero esona negatia sengane yiga naguchika Professor Odhiambo aira ni gwemirimo rimorioka ani University ye kwigurwa ritukoria ankyo abaroko be University yo nigo bono bago keire naguchingira engane yiga abasaba mwiranirio mu waziri Machogu ngambia muno asuguchika Professor Odhiambo aira ni gwe buno mu vice chancellor we University ya Meru.
It's a big day. We have won. That's all that we started. We want to get the council. We are enjoyable. What my job. Our father. We are very happy today. Our business back. Everything is a normal state. We are very happy. Everything is going to happen. Blood, comrade power. Comrade wisdom. We are very happy. So busy. 3 hours.
Ni kiama kia UDA ni gabano getagete omonogeri bwe bunge ya Senate umuske Amason Kingi amono monogeri bwe bunge nene yensi ya Kenya umuske Moses Wetangula betigie mirimo bunabara ibe byama byabo bya siasa. Umuriki omonene bwe kiama kia UDA oyore intenenera umuske Cleophas Malala nigatebire buna abaraya babere umuske Amason Kingi oyore umuraiwe kiama gya PA amono umuske Moses Wetangula oyore umuraiwe kiama gya Ford Kenya aseboni gamba bwenerete kogendera gwesonania asa Amang'Ana asiasa ye byama ikiagira nigo baraba bisabane na serikali ingana irima mincha yerichiko omuske Malala nigo bona tagete abaraya babere berusie asa mabagayo y'abarayi byama byabage siasa erinda baraya bajya abachorwe bachikorwa ribaga liyo gukwanira egore yekerengerero keraroro kyo gotaka kubuna ebyama byonsi sebo mu Kenya kwanza erinde korosie kyama ekemo ekenene birache kubwaterana abosibo bachero bonene abo mwaka bwechiri bibere emerongebere netano nebere.
Our president believes in the rule of law and we shall be expecting the Honorable Speaker Moses Masika Wetangula and the Honorable Speaker Kingi to follow the law to the letter. They are both lawyers. Let them resign and allow us to engage the new party leaders of their respective parties, persuade them without forcing anybody. These parties are as good as dissolved. It's only that they have not accepted that they are no longer politically viable. Yes, I am a gun for hire for William Ruto. I don't care whatever name you give me so long as my president in 2027 will be elected by landslide. Second, so long as I achieve a supermajority as the ruling party in the next parliament. Yes, I am a gun for hire.
Nonyena bo omoncho murigereria engane iyo nigo yarekanire gutabachira buya abarayibande insebo mu Kenya kwanza anemo na barainse ye kiama kya ANC abo batebire buna ekiama kyotikerigo cyo gwanchirana kubunwa abune kagire abase batebire buna kiama kya ANC ne kiama gyetenenerete na igotikerigo cyo kubunwa.
First of all, we want to welcome the official statement released by the party leadership that ANC will not fold. This is a party that is built on principles and it's been in existence even before UDA, and therefore if any party has to fold, then it has to be UDA folding to join ANC and not vice versa.
And therefore we want to just to say that as ANC party, we are strong and efficient to go. We are ready to make this country move forward because we promised Kenyans as a government that we will revive our economy. What Kenya Kwanza government should be looking at, and more especially the UDA party should be looking at, is to ensure that they are promoting legislative agendas in the National Assembly, in the Senate, to revive the economy of this country, not looking into issues of faulting parties or not faulting party. Most of Kenyans are starving because of hunger, and that's what we promised our Kenyans, that we need to all Kenyans, wherever they are, to live in a dignified manner, and not now separating powers from which party moves where. So I want to tell
Saizi sio wakati ya kuanza kukimbizana na machama na kusema coalition ikuwe moja. Saizi tunataka tuangalie watu wetu wanakufa njaa, watu wetu wako na shida, watu wanahangaika sana. Tulikuwa tunataka tunamuomba ya kwamba tuanze kushughulika mambo kwanza ya kuangalia wananchi wa Kenya. Wananchi gharama imeenda juu, shule
Nomo gavana wa county ya Marsabit umuske Mohamud Ali nigori tukoria rero ara umuyiga bugutiani gwa kwabariki ase county yo amuno mo bisomo nene bwe board etenerete obokoreri bwe serikali me county yo gose public service board moncho murigireria bone ya mase yemoni gotoko genda gwika county ya Marsabit erinde twerorere ayagendereri gwaroro aso muyigoyo.
Kwanza, Your Excellency, nisikia vizuri mwenyekiti wa bodi alivyosema kwamba tuko na changamoto na siko tunajua watu wa Marsabit County wanataka huduma na tumewapatia nafasi, na nadhani vile chairman alivyosema sasa kazi ni kwa Bwana Sasura na Bwana Ganale. Pamoja na kuwapongeza, mko na kazi kubwa sana ya kuhakikisha kwamba wafanyikazi wa county hii wanafanya kazi inavyotakikana, wanapatikana na wanapeana huduma jinsi inavyostahili. Kwa hivyo kwa wale ambao ni wafanyikazi ya county, sasa uko na kazi uweze kutumikia watu wa Marsabit. Mara nyingi watu wanatafuta His Excellency, lakini Head of Public Service yuko kwa ofisi tu.
The Public Service Board has been operating without substantive CEO for quite some time. The county government of Marsabit has been operating without substantive county secretary for some time now. Let me take this opportunity, first of all, to thank the people who are acting in those offices. Ibrahim Adan Sora, here, who is a member of staff, county government of Marsabit. I appointed him as in an acting capacity to be the county secretary. So the gentleman, as you come in, Chairman Public Service Board was very right. Your interests are very full. We've been saying we don't have substantive CEO at the board. We don't have substantive CS today. Today, we have both offices effectively filled, and we have substantive officers duly appointed. And therefore, there is no reason whatsoever why we will not be having public service, county government of Marsabit, people who will not be offering services as required, lazy officers.
Nobo teneneri bomuchie okisumu nigo bono bwakanire abana boda boda mbabaise gukorera obunchirere babo boda boda asichinse mocha milimani meumuchio yu buno ntire ya moyo gotema gukoro bosaria asichinse mecho korengana ne notice ya batu kwa no manager bomuchio kisumu okorwa abala wanga nigo achikire abana boda boda mbabaise gukorera obunchirere bwasichinse mocha milimani ogochika bono korachi kubwaterania chinse mochinde meumuchio yu egati yabo ensemo ya Riat. Umanchu murigereria bano nigotoko genda SMS ichi gosori bivono mari atomanye ayato ariganirio morogobo bono.
Barabara kabisa mwachumulilia Kisii FM Digital na dede Robindengo kwa rigini ya segesori gechi osoli na gosoli isamri tabivan Omari. Uchaka na mnyoko ni go ababuibe chimbero chiri ya chumba kwa 2022 asama mnyoko Eldoret City Marathon barachi konyora engeri ya UKye yemaga yoko kanya asige ka kyango mwako yo mwekaboniga kurendego kwa na amunumo director wichimbere chunero Moses Tanui ningatetewe asiche headquarters chicho visicho chikutoka sikonti osinigishu na barachi kwa engeri yabo UKye. Kusukoma tuko ya ase ensemo ya National Super League nigo ensemo ya bunyense chigoli na mbeye mo akoro kwa beja nyamawi kurwase club kliane ya SS Asad atangane ni chigoli sa nebere obwati wa no mosuri ya John Njoroge kuri club kliane ya Kibera Black Stars uyubata chigoli isana na mwikabono na mbaisa to ocha Vincent Nyabuto kurwase club kliane ya Shabana asabigwa bwata chigoli isana nemo ekro na mbanya ocha Edwin Ouko kuri club kliane ya Kisii FC esabata chigoli isana nemo boygom kuri ya omochoko bwemesa ya SL namba ya mo timu ya Shabana ni chipointi mrongebre na isaronemo namba ibere bacha timu ya Kisii FC ni chipointi mrongebre nanye ekero namba isa to bawo cha Murangasil ni chipointi mrongebre nanye eya masa ya mo kuligiria mbaka machimumbu asobanyangongo bulyano ba UEFA Champions League bochkwendra obutko balero ekero cha kachinsa isane timu ya Benfica barachiko barigenia timu ya Club Brugge abigo timu ya ne ya Borussia Dortmund mbachi kusikania amune timu ya Chelsea go cha kachinsa icho isano kuligiria ase entunde tangani nigo timu ya Chelsea banyorete igesusuro kiegoli ya mobisa cross timu ya ne ya Borussia Dortmund emesa ya EPL ikaboniga nambe ya monigere timu ya Arsenal na point ya 53 nambe bire bacha timu ya Manchester City abo bata point 53 ekero nambe 3 cha Manchester United na point ya 49 nambe nye bacha Tottenham Spurs na point ya 45 ekero Liverpool bacha tepaka nambe 5 na point ya 44 gati ya chiri chibatu tomokera ngamone timu ya Bournemouth abara abo moiso na point ya 41 timu ya Southampton bacha nambe 19 na point ya 41 moboigo ekero namba 13 bagocha timu ya Everton abota point ya 22 kuri ya ense boyo bunyuse chigo ya sobunyangongo obuno bwa EPL namba ya mono mosuri ya timu ya Manchester City na Erling Haaland uyubata chigo ya 22 obwati wono mosuri ya timu ya Tottenham Hotspur na Harry Kane uyubata chigo ya 13 ikaboniga namba 3 na namba 4 nigo barenganiti chigo ya 14 oyo muniga kwa Ivan Toney kuri club Kylian ya Brentford no yonene Marcus Rashford kuri Manchester United abobwete chigori 14 boigom wikirabu manchumurigiri ya Kisii FM digital no nguringerega sarigi cyosali nabo gosali Isamaria Tabivan Omari.
na radio twakwareganiria senchera yo gwikirano chinse 11 cia bono maragoba na gwikirabo no tokuyakorera ireterane ngoro kwa Purity Nyangweso.